The main goal is to make sure that coffee quality and quantity is being improved in Kasese region. This project we do agroforestry, which is actually planting or integrating a selected number of trees into coffee parcels to encourage higher production. Trees help the coffee plants by feeding them with certain nutrients like nitrogen. Under shade, there is higher chances of high flowering, high blossoming for coffees, and the production will be higher.
Ndi hanga rau mwene wa yabiri bane bitsutsu alomoro tobuma bana nabonene nabitakiria bisibira hetandeke habe biritungira embe hoyo kwa monje oyo kwa muti oyu nabe ngale bana makatoke akana isumbukira hondeke ahabwe bitsutsu abye miti eyi. Last year, the project started training farmers on good agricultural practices, where we are really on ground training farmers on how to plant and how to do weeding, how to establish new parcels, and how farmers can do pruning, how farmers can do stamping. This is a hilly region, and it is prone to erosion, so it is being infertile. So we train these farmers to make trenches in their parcels to limit erosion. We also trained farmers to construct compost pit. It's kind of a natural organic fertilizer, well prepared to be taken to the main plantation.
I become very happy when I see what I've told to the farmers being implemented in the parcel. When I'm being welcomed by the farmers, like if I come and they are making a lot of noise, whoa, 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 then I become excited and you really feel that you are part of the farmers. I'm very impressed on the tonnage of the community members standing for the theater. It means that the message has been passed to very many people. If those people also can go and tell others who were not present, it means the message has passed. There is climate change. Every person should also realize that we need tree planting, correct our mistakes that we did when we cut the trees. It should be our responsibility as communities to continue practicing. But that's why I'm called for the communities to join and get motivated and learn that this project is theirs.
Tukanga no manja anja chatu kahambolo yele twayale mu mwalere mali yetu. Eche kale kenganzera no mweninge niti. Ngano wawo erunge ya ulionga bana kwese sente sya bana.